To initialize your Ledger Nano S, first press both buttons simultaneously. On the top of the device, the left and right buttons will be used to navigate, select or change values. Pressing both buttons validates your choices. After the instruction message, select Configure as new device by clicking above the check icon. Choose a 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 digits custom PIN code, using left button to decrease value, right button to increase it, and both buttons to validate each number. Confirm by re-entering the same code. Your Ledger Nano S will now display a list of 24 words. This recovery phrase is your backup. We encourage you to copy it out on the dedicated recovery sheet and keep it in a safe place. Write down each word following carefully the numerical order appearing on the secure screen. The 24 words are displayed one by one. Take your time to copy them with care. This passphrase is the only way to back up your wallet, and it won't be shown anymore. Scroll right and left with the buttons, and finish by pressing both buttons once you copied and verified the whole list of 24 words. Your device will then ask you to confirm a few words. Scroll left and right to pick up the required one, and select with both buttons. If you made a mistake, you can start it again. Here, word number 23 is whip, and word number 20 is idle. Scroll until you find them among the proposed ones. This series of 24 words is randomly generated among 2048 words by your hardware wallet. It is the passphrase to easily back up and restore your wallet if you forget your PIN code, lose your device, or need to import your accounts in another wallet. Once you confirmed you correctly copied your passphrase in the right order, the configuration of your device only takes a few seconds. All done, you can now securely install or access your Ledger Nano S apps. The access to your Ledger Nano S is protected by your PIN code, required each time it is powered on or unlocked. Press right button to go up, left button to go down, and both buttons simultaneously to validate. The dashboard displays all the applications that are installed on your device. Scroll to the left or right with the buttons and open the app by pressing both buttons. Press the button upon the arrow icon to navigate and continue to press both buttons to validate what is displayed. If you make any mistake, you can easily go back or quit. The Settings application allows you to change parameters and personalize your device. You can go down or left with the left button and up or right with the right button. You can, for example, change the orientation of your screen if you prefer navigating with your thumbs instead of the four fingers. And many other settings. As before, press the button upon the arrow or the cross to navigate, and both buttons to validate. If you enter a wrong PIN code 3 times in a row, the configuration of your device will be reset. That includes accounts, custom settings, and the recovery phrase entered when initializing your Ledger Nano S. This process can be useful to reconfigure your Nano S or to import another recovery passphrase. Take care to have your 24 words recovery sheet before resetting. When your device has been reset, press simultaneously both buttons to follow the instructions. A warning message will be displayed to explain how to recover your configuration and how to contact Ledger's assistance if needed. Then you are back to the onboarding assistant where you can initialize your Nano S. To restore a configuration on your Ledger Nano S, first make sure your device is reset. You know it is reset as it displays a welcome message. Then press both buttons on the top of the device simultaneously. The left and right buttons under your four fingers will be used to navigate, select or change values. The left one to go down or left, the right one to go up or right. Pressing both buttons validates your choices and opens your applications. After the instructions, decline to configure as new device by selecting the cross with the left button and select Restore Configuration with right button. Choose a 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 digits custom PIN code, using left button to decrease value, right button to increase it, and both buttons to validate each number. Confirm by re-entering the same code. Now you need your recovery sheet, on which you previously copied your 24 words backup, to enter them in your device. Choose the number of words required to restore your backup. As Ledger Wallet generates 24 words recovery phrases, we select this option in our example. Then enter each word following the numerical order of your recovery sheet. Here the first word to enter is fabric. Select the first letters by scrolling left and right. Validate by pressing both buttons simultaneously. The letters appear on the blank fields below. When few characters are typed, the device proposes you a list of words beginning with these letters, and you can select the right one. And so on with the 24 words. Enter the first letters, select your word among the suggestions. If your word doesn't appear in the list, you probably made a mistake. Scroll on the clear word and confirm. Then you can retype the first letters and select the right one among the suggestions. Once the 24th and last word is entered, the configuration of your device only takes a few seconds. All done, you can now securely install or access your Ledger Nano S apps.